Boys are so hard on their clothes. I know if you're a boy mom, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this 3-pack of sweatshirts have been amazing. I love all the colors that they have. They have multiple different packs if you're interested. But I love that these are 100% cotton. So that does mean, though, that they are going to shrink just a little bit. So I did size up for my 5-year-old son. These are the size 6'7". They did shrink a slight bit, but they're still oversized enough fit on him. He can wear them this season and hopefully next season. Perfect for layering because they are lightweight. They are not fleece lined. They're very lightweight inside. They're warm enough that you can put these on as layers, but not so warm that I think that he could just wear these alone in cool weather. They have these really nice stretchy cuffs here on the arms, and then the seams are also really nice and not too rough. I also love that this version of sweatshirts, this pack, they are all tagless. He absolutely hates it when they have tags all on the inside that are rubbing his neck, and these don't. Okay, they have the nice band here on the bottom, so they have a little bit more of a snug fit if you want that. They have really great colors. He's a huge fan of green, and so we had to get the blue, green, and black colors. But like I said, these have really held up. They really wash well. They're really lightweight for layering in these cooler days, the fall days, and then we can really layer them up in winter, and he can take it off if he's playing really hard and he gets too hot. But I can't recommend these enough. Like I said, really great boys staple. If you're looking for sweatshirts like this for your little one, I'm going to put the link for these down in the description below.